As a doctor, I would serve patients individually, but as a public servant, I felt I could serve a much wider section of people. That thought changed the course of 26-year-old A.R. Rajah Mohaideen's life. The MBBS graduate turned civil services aspirant has secured All India Rank 7 in the 2025 Civil Services Examination, one of the toughest competitive exams in India conducted by the Union Public Service Commission. But Rajah's achievement is also part of a larger success story this year, that of Jamia Millia Islamia's residential coaching academy, which has delivered an impressive performance in the 2025 results. A total of 38 students from Jamia's coaching academy cleared the exam, marking a significant milestone for the institution that provides free coaching and hostel facilities to aspirants from marginalized backgrounds. Among them, Rajah Mohaideen's top 10 rank stands out as one of the academy's biggest achievements this year. Rajah completed his MBBS in 2022, but his internship during the COVID-19 pandemic exposed him to the larger role government administrators played during crisis, coordinating hospitals, oxygen supply, and emergency response. That experience pushed him to prepare for the civil services. His journey was not easy. In his first attempt, he did not clear the preliminary exam, but persistence paid off in his third attempt when he secured a single-digit national rank. Originally from Chennai, Rajah is the only child of two academics in Tamil Nadu's government education system. His preparation strategy, he says, focused less on rigid timetables and more on achieving clear study goals. Beyond academics, music helped him maintain balance. A trained Carnatic music enthusiast, he often turned to singing and playing the keyboard to manage the stress of UPSC preparation. When the results were announced, Rajah was not checking the website like thousands of anxious aspirants. Instead, he was offering Friday prayers at the mosque inside the Jamia campus. It was only later that a friend told him he had secured rank 7. The Civil Services Examination, conducted annually by the Union Public Service Commission, selects candidates for India's most prestigious administrative services, including the Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Foreign Service. Each year, hundreds of thousands of candidates appear for the exam, but fewer than 1,000 make it to the final list. This year, 958 candidates were recommended for appointment to various services. For Rajah Mohaideen, the goal now is clear: to join the Indian Administrative Service and work on strengthening India's public health systems. A journey that began in medicine has now moved to public service with the promise of impacting millions of lives.